Hello, everyone. My name is Nitin Gupta. I'm the Senior Director of Training and Certification at Saviynt. In today's session, I want to give you a walkthrough of our newly launched Saviynt University YouTube channel. I think you might have seen our public facing communication wherein we announced the formation of Saviynt University, wherein we made a lot of our e-learning content available to the general public at no cost. So let me dive in. So as you can see on my screen, this is our YouTube channel. It's called the Saviynt University, so you can easily search for it. And once you land on the homepage of the channel, what you would notice is of course this teaser video. I highly encourage that you watch this because it's got a lot of good information in this video. But what I wanted to do in this session is just give you a quick rundown of the playlists that we have. The first one that we have is the Introduction to Converged Identity. So this is a great course. It's a great starting point for anybody who just new to Saviynt or new to identity in general and just want to understand how Saviynt is unique, how Saviynt is different, and how our Converge platform really helps you to solve your identity related problems. So a great starting point. This has got a lot of videos inside of it if I were to click into that. So there are a lot of lessons you can see here. It talks about our founders, why Saviynt was born, what is convergence by design. It talks about the logos that are associated with us as our customers, and covers the core capabilities of our IGA platform. We have also drawn some comparisons with our competition, the CPAM, the Cloud PAM, and then some of the other softwares like AG and third-party access governance, which is the TPAC. So I think, yeah, great starting point if you are new to IGA and you just want to get started by knowing the basics. The next one that we have in the list of playlists is the industry solutions on Saviynt Identity Cloud. This playlist has a lot of videos around various sectors. How Saviynt makes a huge amount of difference to different sectors, different domains. So we've tried to cover some user stories from education, from healthcare, from energy. Right, and as you can see here, right, a lot of different sectors. Even retail sector is covered, and there are a lot of case studies from our big brands. So great starting point if you are a customer from one of these sectors and you want to see how Saviynt helps you reap the ROI and helps you make difference to your business needs. The next one is the Saviynt IGA for business user. This is a great starting point for users who are classified as end user of the identity platform. Basically, the users who use the identity platform to either request an application or managers, supervisors who use the platform to certify the access of their team members. So again, a good course if you are one of those end users who use our platform on a regular basis or want to understand, how Saviynt UI looks and what are the different ways you can request application and certify access. So this is the big one. This is a newly launched Intelligence Essentials course. We just released it a couple of weeks ago. So this course covers the fundamentals of our brand new intelligence platform. It talks about the DIM. It talks about the role mining features. So there's a lot, and the newly launched recommendations features. How recommendations can assist you in making the right decisions and quick decisions, and above all, informed decisions using the data analytics of our platform. So I would highly encourage you to watch this training course, Saviynt Intelligence Essentials. It's a 2.5 hours course, and gives a great understanding of our newly launched intelligence platform. Then we've got we cover other products as well, like I mentioned in the beginning. So we have a fundamentals course on PAM, which is a privilege access management software. So there are conceptual videos as part of this playlist, and along with that, there are a lot of demos on some of the common use cases where PAM is used. Similarly, we've got a playlist on application access governance. So if you want to learn about controls that are available through our platform, great starting point. Again, we talk about GRC, SOD, which is segregation of duties. So again, a great starting point if you are interested in our AG software. The next one in the line is the fundamentals and quick start tutorial playlist for TPAG, which is third-party access governance. It's also known as Saviynt External Identity and Risk Management Software. So again, nice and easy, very quick course, short duration course to just get started with TPAG. And as you know, Saviynt is a SaaS platform. We do release regular updates on our platform. We update our software very frequently. And anytime there is a new product release that goes GA, we create a lot of promotional videos and informational videos around the new features that are captured or new improvements that are launched as part of the product releases. So I highly encourage that you look at this playlist, and it's a great way for you to stay up to date on the development of our platforms. So thank you very much.